Yes, hello. So, last time we checked extrude boss base, but now we're gonna take a look to the extrude cut feature. So, the beginning is the same. Let's select the sketch, the right plane, and let's draw something. Then we have to go to the features and make it a part, something visible. I don't know, a little bit bigger. So right now you can see it's a brick. It's just like a brick. So now select the plane you want, draw a new sketch, Ctrl 8, and let's draw a circle. This big circle, finish, go to the extrude cut, select the circle, and it already shows you what will it do. Just put yes. Now you can see we have a hole in the brick. So it's pretty easily to do that. So yes, thank you for watching. Please comment.